everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you one of the makeup looks that I am doing with this month's Shop My Stash. So if you want to see what I come up with, please go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, what I am going to start is with my brows, because I am using this Revolution brow gel stuff that you put on your brows, you let it dry, and then you have nice looking brows. So I'm going to apply this one and then we'll start with the base. So after I applied the brow product, now I look like a crazy person. I am going to prime my skin, and I will use the Essence Prime Studio Mattifying and Pore Minimizing Primer with black clay, and I will take this amount, rub it between my hands and apply it on my face. While we wait for the eyebrows to dry and peel that off, I am going to start with my eyeshadow today, and I will first start with this Revolution eye primer, and I will apply that all over my lid. Next I am going to take 2 pieces of sticky tape and put those underneath my eyes. So for this month's palette I chose the original Urban Decay Naked and the Belle Jordan and Obsession palette. I'm going to start with the Obsession one, and I will take this shade in here to set my eyelid with a flat brush. Next, from the Urban Decay palette, I am going to go with the shade Naked in here, and with a fluffy brush I will blend that into my crease. So I'm going to take a more tapered blending brush, and I'm going with the shade Buck in here, which is a bit darker than the first shade we applied, and I am going to put this only on the outer corner and halfway through the crease, just to deepen the eye look a little bit. Next, with a flat brush, I am going to take the shade Virgin, which is the first shade in the palette, and I am going to apply that all over my lid. Next I am going to take this Ico Skinny Liquid eyeliner in black, and I am going to do a winged eyeliner. Then I am going to take the tape off my eyes. I am going to do on my eyes, I will do the lower lash line after I finish my base. The brow product is drying pretty quickly, but I'm still going to let that to dry a bit more, and I am going to go ahead and do the base. Now for my base I'm going to start to color correct a little bit, because I do have some spots on my face. So I am taking the Revolution Ultra Base Corrector palette, and with the green shade I am going to apply that on my spots. And around my nose. And with this pink summoning shade I'm going to take that and put it underneath my eyes. And with a damp beauty sponge I am going to blend those a little bit more. foundation, I'm using the Revolution Stick Foundation. Mine it's in the shade F5, and I am going to apply that. I think it's a bit dark. All over my face. I'm going to blend that with this BH Cosmetics flat top brush, and I will spray this brush with this Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. And I will go ahead and blend the foundation. Next, for concealer, I'm taking the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in 005 Light Natural, and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes. Cupid's bow, chin, bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And with my beauty sponge, I am going to blend that out. Next, I am going to take this Revolution Jelly Highlighter in Monumental, and I am going to apply that on the high point of my cheeks and blend it with my beauty sponge. Next, I'm going to set my face with this Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder, and I am going to apply that with my beauty sponge as well. Next, for bronzer, I'm going to take the Makeup Studio bronzer in the shade M2. It's this one in here, and I am going to take my bronzing brush, apply that. Next, for blush, I'm going with the e.l.f. blush palette, and I am going to take this shade in here and apply that to my cheeks. To highlight my face, I'm going with the Carter Beauty highlighting palette in the shade Blaze, and we're going to go with this shade in here. Now that we finished our base, I am going to finish my eye look, and to do that I am going to take the Obsession and Belle Jordan palette, and with a pencil brush I am going to take the shade So Cute in here, and I am going to apply that on my lower lash line. And that's all I'm going to do to my lower lash line. Next, we're going to highlight my inner corners and the brow bone, and for that I'm going to take the shade Glow Baby from the Obsession palette, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corners. I'm going to peel the brow product off my brows. Next, I am going to give my lashes a little curl, and then I am going to apply mascara, and the mascara I'm going to use is the Catrice Cosmetics Preta Volume Smoky Mascara in Velvet Black. To finish this look, I'm going to line my lips with this Catrice Long Lasting Lip Pencil in the color Prince Sherry, and For lipstick, I'm going with the Revolution Amazing Lipstick in the color Simmer. This one in here. Last but not least, I am going to finish off with the Essence Glow to Go Illuminating Setting Spray. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you liked the makeup look I came up with. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Take care, bye!